mai koutou. Kor Caitlin ahau. I am Caitlin.
And kia ora WINTON SCHOOL. Kor Ella ahau. I am Ella. Welcome to the N.E.W.S news for Ramiri, the 4th of March.
Okay, we start today with a big kia ora to all the students returning sports equipment to the trolleys at the end of playtime and lunch.
Keep up the good work. Your efforts are much appreciated and it makes our school look tidy.
Straight to health and safety news. The UV forecast today is high from 12 until 4 and sun protection is required from 10:30. Kia ora.
Okay, HI VIZ VESTS. Most students are wearing them to and from school. Please do likewise.
A colossal amount of students are.
Yes, most dentists say agree. It's about 99%.
Okay, let's get into tupuku or te wiki. This week's word is ahau, which is te reo for what?
As in, he aha tenei. What is this?
He tenei.
Ka pai e hoa. It is some tidy food.
Aha, which is te reo for what?
And if you miss any notices, you can play the news again or read all the notices in the text box below.
There's so many words down here. Touch news. Whakarongo mai koutou. I have a sneaky feeling it's not looking too good outside.
However, if athletics has been canned, then this might be for you.
Practice for the Winton Leopards at morning tea time today. Please meet Jack and Archie at the library steps.
Winton Whirlwinds, can you please meet in the junior lunch area also at lunchtime?
Winton Wombles, you have a practice at lunchtime. Meet at 12:40 by the library steps.
Winton Wipeouts, please meet Georgia and Briley in the junior lunch area at 12:40.
And Winton Stags, can you please go to field 4 by 3:45 for a quick practice before your game. You have 2 games today. Kia ora.
Birthday news. Declan Shelton hits the lucky number 8 today.
And guess what? N.E.W.S is 8 on Sunday.
2 8s, 8 8. Like we're bringing 88 back.
What? That's Rapano Ki Kora. Happy birthday to you too.
And that's it for the week from everyone here at the N.E.W. news team. Ka kite a te wiki. See you next week.
Hara and
oh my God, guys.
Hara. Hide it out and stay classy, Winton School.